The importance of checking your vehicle regularly. Take care of your safety. Driving a car is more than just transporting yourself from one place to another. It's a responsibility, especially when it comes to safety. Today we're talking about the importance of checking your car regularly to detect and fix potential breakdowns before they become a major problem. This is why regularly checking your car for breakdowns and keeping it in good condition is essential. Safety. By conducting a regular check, you can detect potential failures in braking systems, suspension, lighting and other important vehicle components. This will help prevent accidents and keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Save money. Finding and fixing minor breakdowns before they become major problems can save you a lot of money. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance will help you avoid costly repairs and extend the life of your vehicle. Reliability. Regular maintenance and checks help keep your vehicle in good condition. This guarantees its reliability and minimizes the risk of sudden breakdowns, which is especially important on long trips and when traveling over long distances. Don't forget to check your car regularly. Despite the busyness and daily routine, taking care of your safety and the reliability of your car should be a priority. Remember that taking care of your car is taking care of your safety. Regular inspection and maintenance will help you avoid problems and enjoy safe, comfortable rides.